Hi, thanks for joining us. We here at Quick Play Sports are constantly striving to innovate and bring sports into the 21st century. When released, our newest product will revolutionize the sport of squash. Squash is an old sport and has remained virtually unchanged since its creation. But there's a big issue that plagues the sport of squash. However, to understand this issue, you need to know a little bit about playing squash. You can't pluck a squash ball straight out of the box and just begin playing. The ball must be heated to an optimal temperature to ensure that it bounces correctly. A cold squash ball has practically no bounce, rendering it useless. But on the other hand, a warm squash ball displays the material properties it was intended to have and provides for the best quality of play. Now let's address the big issue. In our relentlessly efficient society, surely we have automated the mundane task of heating up a squash ball, right?
Unfortunately, no, we haven't. Players still arrive at the court and have to spend time that they paid for heating up the squash ball. And to compound this issue, our field data has proven that players don't get the ball nearly warm enough to provide the best playing experience. Never has there been a solution to address these issues until now. The squash ball warmer from Quick Play Sports is the premier solution to these issues. In a matter of minutes, the squash ball warmer will heat up the player's squash ball from room temperature to 45 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature set by the World Squash Federation and provides the player with a world-class ball. Players will notice that their skill improves faster with a heated squash ball. You wouldn't want to practice soccer with a deflated ball. The same concept applies here.
Not only does the squash ball automate the task of heating the ball, it also provides the player time to properly warm up and stretch at the court. Players have reported cases of pulling muscles while trying to warm up the ball. Most players hit the ball against the walls of the court continuously until they think it is warm enough. In the process, the player can swing too hard and pull a muscle. The squash ball warmer relieves the player of this health risk and allows him or her to properly warm up and stretch before their game. Now that you know all of the benefits of using our product, let's talk about how it works.
The engineers at Quick Play Sports designed an aluminum heating shell that is optimized to transfer heat to the squash ball in a uniform and efficient manner. Inside this aluminum heating shell are 10 miniature heating elements that are controlled using a microprocessor. Temperature sensors in the heating shell tell the microprocessor how to control the heaters until the ball reaches 45 degrees C. Once this is complete, the ball is ready for play.
The team at Quick Play Sports is eager to bring the squash ball warmer to market. The squash ball warmer is a device that the sports industry has yet to see, and as such, we are eager to be the standard in squash ball preparation. The squash ball warmer will be sold to sports clubs and squash courts around the world. Being a court that has the squash ball warmer will attract more memberships for the court. The modern squash player is eager for the kinds of innovations that the squash ball warmer brings to the table. He or she wants to be a part of a club that provides them with the tools to have the best playing experience.
Our goal is to finish the prototype by May of 2017. We would love for you to join us on our journey to bringing the sport of squash into the 21st century.
Thank you.